Good morning. Good morning. Are you ready?
So one of the questions we get often is, what's a typical day look like for you? And this is kind of it.
We don't get Dunkin' every day.
It's true. We do not splurge on coffee out all the time. But 3 days a week, I work as a nurse, an ICU nurse, and this is kind of what our day looks like. I have a very amazing husband who wakes up with me, takes me to work. Oh, this husband, in case you're wondering. Wakes up early, takes me to work, drops me off, and then he does so much during the day. So we thought we'd show you guys what his day kind of looks like and what our day looks like when I'm working.
So you're not going to be in this the rest of the day?
I mean, no. I don't think you guys would want to see what I do at work.
I think it's probably more interesting.
Morning.
Morning. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, did you get it? Oh, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
I love that she goes to the window immediately and she's like, is there more?
Uh-huh.
All right, humans got coffee, Callie got a donut bite, now on to work. Love you.
Love you.
Have fun.
You're kind of late this morning.
I know. Coffee. Priorities.
Priorities. Okay.
Not late. Late for being early. All right. Love you.
Love you. Say bye to Callie.
Bye, Kaka.
Bye.
Bye, honey bears. I love you. Mwah.
All right. Love you. All right. And this morning I'm going to go for a run. On my list of duties today is laundry. We get a lot of questions about what we do for laundry. This campground that we're in currently has a laundry facility at it, which is really nice, and you don't always get that. So just know that if you're staying at a campground, especially long term, that's something that you need to look out for, is how you're going to do your laundry. I've had to drive into town to laundromats, which a lot of times I kind of prefer the commercial washers, because you can get your laundry done so much faster. But I'm going to take this laundry over and get laundry done, and then when I get back, I get to do another fun task, which is flushing out the black tank. So I'm going to get cleaned up here a little bit. We're heading out next week. We're leaving this area. We're going to go on a road trip from North Carolina to Indiana, and we're not sure exactly how that route is going to go. But if you guys have any suggestions, anywhere to stop. I've heard pigeon forage. I've heard some other people talking about some other stuff. But if you have a suggestion between Western North Carolina and Indiana, our hometown, in West Central Indiana, let us know if you guys have a must-see or a place that you love to go to in your RV. Let me know down below. I'm gonna get picked up in here a little bit, and then we'll head outside to the truck, and I'm gonna start working on getting it cleaned out. It's like the worst trick or treat ever. Dog treats? Why, Steph? Why? Dog treats. 2 handkerchiefs. Dog treat. Not too bad. And she's already laying in the sun. Is that your happy place? And this is where I spend a lot of my free time. Editing, responding to comments, saying hello to all you fine people, and generally just doing all the things that are involved with our YouTube channel. I have a small desk right now. If you guys have been following along, you'll know that we have mixed things up a little bit. So I'm down to a small desk area that's working out okay right now. Keep those thoughts coming in as far as what we should do with this space. We should be able to do something with it over the next 3 weeks. We got a lot of stuff coming up. Make sure you guys follow along so that you can see some of those updates that we're about to do with the camper, and check us out on these trips as we go along. But this is where I spend a lot of my time editing and doing all the things associated with the YouTube channel. So it's almost time for me to leave to go get Steph and pick her up from work, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. But for right now, I'm gonna edit a little bit before I do that, and then grab Callie, because I always make sure that she comes with me. Good girl. Good girl.
Huzzah! Dobby is a free elf. Let me in. Hi, cutie. Hi. I always feel like I'm like trudging out a battle with all my stuff.
You look like it. Look at all this stuff.
Do I look that rough? Ooh, did you clean the truck?
I just cleaned it out a little bit.
Hi.
How was work, sweetheart?
It was a busy day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, at least you had all the stuff that you needed, right?
You can always tell when I'm at the end of an assignment, because my bags just keep getting fuller and fuller, and I refuse to clean them out because I know the end of the assignment's coming. So my lunchbox can't zip. Haven't been able to zip it. It's just all kinds of snacks and silverware in the box. You never know when you're gonna need snacks.
I found a spoon in here today.
Likely means I was eating something on the way to work or on the way home.
All right.
Hey, speaking of, look at this cutest little spork I found today in my little veggie thingy.
Ah,
Isn't that cute?
There you go.
That's perfect camping.
I can't wait to throw that away in a year when I find it in the drawer.
When you find it.
Okay. You good, fam?
I think so.
Home?
Yeah.